everyone, I'm Jeep Momma, and a while back I shared a video on the magic buttons in my Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. I decided to separate those two videos for better searchability, and last week I shared how to use the sway bar disconnect button, and this week I'm going to share with you how to use that axle lock button. Now, in the original video I shared with you that these buttons are to the left of your steering wheel. Come to find out, some of the older Jeep Wranglers have these buttons down above the center console pocket. Wherever your buttons are, here's how to use your axle lock button. And this is called axle lock. Now, why would you need to use this? What this button does is it locks both of the front or the rear to the axle, so where the wheels spin at the same speed, and you're going to get good traction when you do this. This button is a great button to use when you're going to take some slippery hill climbs, or you're in the mud, or there's going to be a situation where you need great traction. So your first step again is to be in 4 low. If you want to figure out how to do that, check out my description below, and there's a link to my video how to shift your Jeep Wrangler into 4 low in 3 easy steps. Once you're in 4 low, and note, you need to be going less than 14 miles per hour to use this feature. So you're in a situation where you need to climb up a slippery hill or a rocky incline, or you're getting ready to possibly get stuck in some mud and you need some really good traction. You need to lock those axles. So what you do is you push the bottom of the button once, and that will lock your rear axle. Now, if you want to lock your front ones as well, you push it again. Again, once this button engages the rear and or the front, it will illuminate rear axle lock and or front axle lock when they're engaged. Once you've gone through the obstacle that you're using the axle lock button for, make sure you turn it back off, because your wheels are spinning at the same speed, and if you're going to be turning on the trails, it makes for a very difficult situation. Once you're finished using this feature, to turn it off, you just push the top of the button and the lights will flash until it's disengaged. And once it's been disengaged, the light will no longer illuminate. So there you go. How to use those magic buttons on your Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Hey everyone, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay tuned to more of Jeep Momma's Garage. Jeep Momma!